Everyone, welcome to the Codeness. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to create or develop the microservices in Node.js using SQL Server. In this application, I am going to use the clean or layer architecture for developing the microservices. For the database, I am going to use MSSQL Server. For the code editor, I am going to use Visual Studio Code. So if you have not downloaded all these tools, you have to first download. First of all, you have to check whether you have installed the Node.js or not. So open the command prompt and type node hyphen hyphen version. If you get the version, that means you have successfully installed the Node.js. Otherwise, you have to download the latest version of Node.js. Second, you have to check the SQL server if you have installed or not. If you have installed the SQL server, then it's fine. Otherwise, you have to download the community edition and it's free for the download. You can connect. If this means if you have successfully connected to the Visual Studio. Now you can use Visual Studio as a code editor. So I am assuming you have successfully installed all these other requirements. In the next video, I am going to start the developing the microservices. Thank you for watching this video.